Hello guys, today is day 6 of our coding challenge using mobile phone, and our task today is a background color changer event listener, style.background.color. So let's go to our SPCK editor. And here is our previous code, so we have to close it, and we start a new project. And this, we are just going to get a new file and call it a background changer.js. Okay, here is it. Then here we're just going to say alert, and remember to remove this previous code, which is a random quote. Then use the background changer. Let's see. Okay, so we are good to go now. Let's remove this alert, and we are going to style the body. So let me just say document dot body dot style dot background color, which is going to be equals to, let's just say something like red. Sorry, let's see. Okay, you can see it's working. And remember, we are doing everything dynamically. So I'm going to style the background a little bit, but for this I have to pause this video after styling it. Then I come back and we continue. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, I am done with the styling. I styled the body, and I also created a button. As you can see over here, this is our button that I created, and I also do the styling for the button. Okay, the reason why I do this is because I don't want to bore you people with styling. You know, this is a JavaScript course, and I'm doing everything dynamical. So I'm not working with HTML. I'm doing everything. The styling, I'm getting the elements using the DOM, and I'm doing everything in JavaScript. So you can see our HTML just stay like this. It's just loading our JavaScript. Hope you are with me. If you are with me since we started this journey, you understand. Okay, right now what we are going to do, if you come over here, you can see that nothing get displayed. You can see everything is still empty. So what we are going to do is just, we can say document.body dot body dot append child, and we are appending the button. And again, if you want to copy this, so if you want to copy this, yeah, this is your time. You can pause this video and copy it. Okay, right now let's view our this. So this is what we have. As you can see, we have button, and then when click on this button, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. So let's go back and start coding. I like closing my code. So here right now we need a function, and that function is going to be the random colors. So you can just say function color change. You can name this thing anything you want. It's just me doing what is in my brain. Okay, color change is going to be, let's get the colors. So we are just going to say const colors will be equal to let's just get some random numbers. So here we are just going to get something like A, B, C, D, C, D, F. Let's get the capital letter A, B, C, D, F, and then let's get numbers, something like from 0 to 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. You can see. So I believe this color is going to help. Is going to do. This number is going to give us a color. You can call it number or you can call it color, whatever you like. So right now we are just going to get a color, the hash color. So we are just going to say const hash is going to be equals to this hash over here. Now let's loop it, and then we're just going to say for let I equals to 0, and the I is less than equals to color. I is less than 6. That's not the length. We are not getting the whole thing, so you're just going to say I is less than 6. Then I equals to I plus 1, or let's just use the shortcut of I plus plus, sorry, and we will now come over here, and we are going to get the hash plus equals to itself, hash plus equals to the colors, and yeah, since this color is now an array, so I'm just going to put an array and use math.random. You're going to use math.random, and we are going to times okay, before math.random, let's use math.floor, because this is just going to get some weirdly random numbers. So we are going to, let me remove it, and then we are inside it. We are just going to say math.floor, and we have this open and close parenthesis because it is a method. Then we add, then let me paste the math.random inside the math.floor, and then after this we are just going to come over here and say times 16. Okay, so this is going to generate a random number of hex. So let's close it, and we are going to return the hash. So let's return the hash, But I think this makes sense that we call this hex. Yeah, let's call it hex instead of hash. Sorry for that. Let's just call it hex. And this one also hex. So that is the hexagonal color. Sorry, sorry. My pronunciation sometimes is very bad. So here right now we are going to say button dot add event listener. So we will get the color once we click event. So right now let's put a click to it, comma, and let's just say change background, or click to change. Click to change. That's going to be the name of our function. You can also call it whatever you want. So here right now we are going to create a new function with the name click to change, and inside this function what we are going to do right now is just say to call the body. So we are going to say body dot style dot background color is going to be equals to this guy here. This let's call this function inside there. That is it. So it's going to be equals to this guy over here. Let's close this, and I believe that is it. Okay, so this function is coming from the add the event listener, and okay, that is it. Let's see what we have. I click. Body is not defined. Why? Oh, sorry. It should be document.body. It should be document.body, not just body. Sorry for that. It's true. Document.body.style. So if you had only body before, just go back and add in front of it, just add the document.body.style, just the way I do it right now, and I believe it will work now. So now when you click assignment to constant variable, where did we assign something to constant variable? Let me check. In 937. In 930. Oh, sorry. This place instead of const, we're going to use late. Sorry for that. Okay, let's go back again. This is what programmer face every day, so it's normal thing. Let's check again. You can see the background change. It change again. It change. So once you have been clicking this button over here, the background will be changing. Let's change again. Change. So that is it, guys. So you can even add other things like if you want this to be changing automatically, you can also add this. You can do something like set interval Then you call the function inside. And do like something like a 1000. So you can see it is not changing automatically. You can see without you clicking it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is just our challenge for today. God bless you, bro.